This right here, this is a mirror bracket for the mirror. I'm in a Jetta, and it's got the rain sensor hidden inside of there, and this thing is glued to the glass, and then the mirror actually twists on. That's how it's attached. The problem is when this comes off the glass, they're really SOL. So first we're gonna detach this, we're gonna clean and prep the glass, clean and prep this bracket. I'll show you what adhesive we use and see if we can get this fixed up for this customer. Okay, and again, just to clarify the difference here, you know, you have a standard mirror bracket that is glued to the glass with, well, what is essentially standard rear view mirror glue, okay? And then the mirror slides on and you have a setting screw, and then that's that. This, unfortunately, is not glued with standard mirror glue. It has urethane adhesive, which you can't really see from the camera shot. It's on there, I gotta scrape it off. And of course, like I said, your mirror, it twists. It's designed to twist. So I've got a little screwdriver here. A lot of times you just disconnect this, but I'm gonna take this out, show you real quick. It's got a little spring loaded deal here for the rain sensor to attach. It comes apart, disconnect it. I'm gonna leave the rain sensor. We do need a rain sensor refurbishing kit, maybe for a different video, but I'm gonna put that down here. We're gonna take this bracket. To get this back up here, we need to prep this, be very abrasive, clean it, probably treat it with some primer paint for that urethane adhesive, clean, and do the same thing up here. Set this, and then this will have to stay. I'm using a product that we do sell at our eBay store. This is Sika P2G Primos to Glass adhesive, so it doesn't require anything to necessarily go on the glass. The glass itself should be like this, where it has a painted on frit, and the adhesive bonds really well to that. So we don't need to do anything to the glass, but for the plastic, because this is plastic, gotta love it, or at least not plastic. Some of them are plastic, but sometimes it doesn't want to bond real well. So we just gotta really be abrasive, scuff it up, that kind of thing. Okay, so I have a razor blade, then I also have this little pinch hole prepping tool, but because of the lighting in here, you can't really see very well at all what I'm cutting off. It is a little bit of urethane. Of course, it helps if I point the camera the right way too, but that's, I'm gonna trim that. And again, this glass does have the painted frit, so we just need to make sure this is a really good clean bonding surface, scuffed up a little bit, fine for what we have. This, we're definitely going to want to, like I said, be very abrasive. I'm gonna take some primer paint and put this on here. We're just gonna clean it really good. Scrape any excess adhesive out of there so it doesn't affect that rain sensor from fitting in there. Guess this could be a two-parter.
24 hours later.
All right, so we got a nice firmed up gel pad for our rain sensor. Depends on the humidity. Depends on the humidity and how long it takes to gel up. I'm gonna stick this up here first, because that rain sensor goes in there and then the mirror goes on there. So I feel like that was go. Plug up rain sensor. The camera is really hot. Here we go. There we go. Nice. It's not a big deal. This is not snapping in. Why? Because it was upside down. That's why. All right, now the extra moment of truth, which is the cover. It's the other part of this. If your stuff's off, this could be off. So now let's see how well this all snaps. Oh, like a glove. Like a glove. I gotta edit that in. Jim Carrey.
I can't get out.
Yeah. Good answer. Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, Clark. It's beautiful. Snaps in great. Looks good. Awesome.